In this video, we'll be reviewing setting up and managing your notifications and reminders. So to navigate to the screen, simply go to your navigation menu, then set up appointments and emails, and then we're on the notifications tab and soon to be the reminders tab. So the notifications are what is sent out the minute an appointment is booked. So when this appointment is booked, it instantly will send this notification. So if you want those to send out, you'd simply check this checkbox and it will plan to send that notification at the time of booking. Now, if you are known to move your appointments around like 15 minutes here or there right after they're booked, like, oh, I put that at 1:15, but I'm going to shove it back to 1 o'clock, you may want to consider keeping this turned off and manually sending your reminders because they are instant. So just keep that in mind. The from email name, so this is the name associated with your email. Typically, people use their business name in here. And then your from email address, you'll want to put an email address in here that you own the domain name for. So for example, stxsoftware.com, we own that domain name. That's our URL to our website, and we have email addresses associated with it. That is preferred. A lot of times people try to use, for example, a Gmail account or an iCloud account or a Yahoo account, sbcglobal.net or AOL, Comcast.net, the list goes on. Those companies do not allow you to send mass emails on their behalf. So what will happen is, if let's say this was a Gmail account, what will happen is it will kick back that email. It'll probably let you send the first 100 and then it will flag it that you're using it to send out mass messaging, which they do not allow. So it's not us, we're not the bad guys. That's something that Google, Yahoo, Comcast, sbcglobal.net, AOL, iCloud, etc. do not allow. So anything that's free, just plan on it not working in here. So typically you can purchase a domain for your URL. Those are typically about $20 a year. They're not terribly expensive. They're very easy to set up. Google offers them, GoDaddy offers them. Whoever manages your website, you would want to get in contact with them, ask them about it. But just be aware of that. If your emails stop sending one day, then that is probably why. And it will let you know if the email address is blocked or not valid up here in the upper right. So just be aware of that. Down here is the merge field, and how this works I'll show you here. So in my subject, my upcoming appointment, I can have it put in the date and time of the appointment. So if I just simply click on this, it's going to show me the date and time over here to the left. I'm going to highlight this text. I'm going to copy it, and then I'm going to paste it. And then that will drop in the appointment date and time to the subject line of the email for the notification. So this is the email information here. And then down here is my email template. I can again use these merge fields, like if I want to plug in the client's first name, their last name, verify their email, their services that are booked, or for the reminders, I'll use the confirmation link. But down here, I can customize this. I can put in my logo. I can attach a link maybe to the online booking if they want to change or cancel an appointment. I can do a bulleted list. I could put something in here with big, bold, underlined letters if you have construction near your area or nearby closed roads. So this is where you can edit the email. Now, the email, you can make it as long as you want. There's really no limit. But with the text message, you're going to want to keep that as short as possible. So it will limit the text messages that can send. I think anything greater than about 250 characters, it's going to send it in multiples. And sometimes those come through a little messy. So you're going to want to keep your text message straight and to the point. For example, this one says, "Hi, client first name. Thank you for booking an appointment with us." And then we could update this to say on, and then it will list the appointment date and time. And then if you'd like to send yourself a test email, you simply plug in your email address and click send. And then once you're done making your changes or updating it, you'll simply click save. And like I said, these will go out once the appointment is created. And then the reminders, these screens are very similar. So everything I just said in here will mostly apply here. So if you want to send appointment reminders, you simply check this box and then you tell it when you would like them to send. If you would like it to go out days, you can enter a number in here. Maybe it's 1 day before the appointment, or 2 days before the appointment, 4 days, however many days, you're going to put the number of days in here. And then you can select the time that you would like it to send out. So you could say 2 days before the appointment at 9:30 a.m., I want my appointment reminders to go out. And that will send out all of your appointment reminders at the same time, 2 days prior. And then the alternative to that is you could say, okay, I want to send a text message maybe 4 hours before. So you type in 4 and you change that to hours, and then that's not going to go days before the appointment. It's going to just go hours before the appointment. Down here, you have your from email name, same rules apply. From email address, same things apply regarding the domain name. You're going to want to own this domain. The merge field here, this is where you would select maybe the appointment date and time, or the client's first name, the confirmation link. So let's talk about the confirmation link. That's this right here. So I can copy this. And how that would work is, let's say, it says hello, and then it has the client's first name. Again, you can edit this, you can customize it, you can add your own details, your own bullet points, you can make things bold, you can add your logo, whatever you would like to do, you can do that in here. And then you would just put in something maybe like, to confirm your appointment, click here. And then you'd put in your confirmation link. So how this works is to confirm an appointment, they'll have a link in their email and it will confirm. If you want to test this, put in your email address here and click send test email, and it will send you an example of it. But the confirmation link, that'll change the status of the appointment. So when you're on the appointment book, if the appointment is orange, if the border is orange, it means that a reminder has been sent. And then once it's confirmed, it'll be pink, and that means that it's been confirmed. So this is how the system's going to do that for you. And then you can also have that same confirmation link in your text messages. So you can put in here, hi, we look forward to your, and then it would list their book services, and then you can put on, and then it would show the date and time to them, and then it would say click to confirm or call to reschedule. And then you could put your phone number in here, and that would be the text message that would go out. Again, you can put as much information as you'd like in your emails, and then we just advise you not to put a ton of information in your text message, not because we have a super short limit, but because that text message will get broken up by the text message companies. So keeping it short and to the point is probably best. Thank you for watching, and have a great day.